Okay, I believe it's going to be C, D, or E, because one of those, because in A and B, your denominator's the same, but your numerator's very small. I need a larger I need a larger numerator to get a larger number. And of course, from A and B, your larger one would be B because 2 is greater than 1. Now, let's look at C. I would love for C, D, and E. I'd love to get the same denominators where I can compare. So I know that I took one of the 3's away because 3 cubed won't go into 7. That's 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So I took one of the 3's away, and that leaves me a 3 squared and that 5 squared. Now 3 will go into 7, 2 point something. I don't know, 2 point whatever. If I have to do long division, I will. And that's going to be 3 squared over 5 squared. Now 45, I did the very same thing. I want to end up with a 3 squared and a 5 squared. So I broke up the 3 cubed and the 5 cubed. So 3 will go into 45 15 times. And 5 will go into 15 3 times. So I'm left with 3 over a 3 squared and a 5 squared. So between C and D, which one's the bigger one? This one, because your numerator's 3, and which is greater than 2 point something. And then point E, I'd love to get down to 3 squared, 5 squared if I could. So I have 3 to the 4th, and I broke it into 3 times 3 cubed and 5 to the 5th. I made it 5 squared because I know that 5 squared is 25, and 25 will go into 75. So that's why I took 5 squared out. So 25 will go into 75 3 times. Cancel, cancel. You're left with a 1 in the top. And what am I left with in the bottom? 3 cubed, 5 cubed. That's a pretty big denominator, right? So this number is pretty small. So your answer is D.